how we get to the design. The Philly caught Nathan's eye because it's so simple and so effective. It's about as simple of a shoe as you could possibly make, but you could still make it simpler. Bring in the desert boot. All we're doing here is saying, how can we...
Hold on, brother. Hold on, I'm gonna just Google that real quick, cause I can't believe, hold on, I'm gonna Google that shit real quick, cause like, I need to reassure myself on that. Is Clark's a Quaker brand? Lord, a real talk. Father God. So all this time we are wear oats, bro. Oh God, mighty word. Wow. Damn, founded by the two Quaker brothers.